Hello, in this lesson we will consider the two questions, two exam style questions of division and multiplication algebraic fractions and subtraction and addition algebraic fractions. So these two questions are combined together, so that's why I will explain in this one video, okay? So in the first question you see that three fractions are multiplied and divided all together, and let's write everything as a multiplication of all the fractions. In the first fraction I will copy, but the first bracket I will write in the way of a plus 2. Then 3, I just copy the remaining stuff for the first fraction, and the second fraction also to be copied, a cubed xy and a y plus 2, and then here this fraction flipped, so ay and a squared plus 2a could be written in the way of a times a plus 2. Now let's write it down, a times a plus 2. And now it's time to reduce the fraction. So let's find the common factors. This and this, this and this, right? Now next, y cubed and y cubed here. Then x and x. Also we have y squared, y and y squared. So actually it works this way, yeah? First we're reducing this y with this, and this y with this one. Okay, 9 and 3, the last coefficients left, 9 and 3, so 1 and 3 here. And don't forget about these two a's, a and a, to be reduced as well. So finally we'll have 3 over 1, oh, just 3. So this is the answer for the first question. Now turn to the next part. We have to express these fractions as a single fraction. It means that we have to subtract. To subtract these two fractions, we have to look at the denominator, and denominators must be equal, because we have to use this rule, yeah? A over b minus c over b is equal to a minus c over b. So denominator must be the same. For this case, it's not the same. But what we can notice, we can say that 4x minus 8 is equal to 4x minus 2. And then 6 minus 3x could be written in the way 2 minus 6. And you see that these expressions inside the brackets are very, very similar. And that's why let's remind the formula of making minus out of brackets. So minus b minus a. Okay, for this case, for our case, it's equals to negative 3x minus 2. Now our expressions are equal. Okay, so let's rewrite these denominators in our example. 4x minus 2 minus 5 minus 3x minus 3x minus 2. And now you see that two minuses together. It means that we should add together. Minus minus is plus, 5 minus 3x, 3x minus 2. Now this plus makes our life much easier, and it means that we have to multiply the first numerator by 3 and the second one by 4. And let's multiply. Next step is to multiply. Right in this way, plus everything in numerator. 5 minus 3x. Okay, so it is 12x minus 2. Now time to open the brackets. 3x minus 6 plus 20 minus 12x. In the denominator the same. Now in numerator we can combine the like terms. It's negative 9x plus 14. Nothing to do remaining. Only just write numerator in more beautiful form. 14 minus 9x, 12x minus 2. It's not obligatory, but it looks better. So that's how we written these two questions as a single fraction. In the first question it was multiplication and division. The second one is subtraction. Okay, enjoy. Look for the next video, watch the next video, and be better in math. See you in the next video. Goodbye.